In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a border to your photos on your iPhone. So as you can see, I've added a nice little pink square border here to this image. And in order to do that, you need to go to your photo library and select the photo that you want to add a border to. Once you've done that, you want to tap the three lines at the bottom there next to the eye with the circle around it. This will allow us to open up the options to make some adjustments to our photo. Next, you want to tap the marker or highlighter icon in the upper right-hand corner to bring up the markup options here. Don't tap any of the options that are visible. You want to tap on the addition or plus symbol to the right there to bring up more options, and you want to go to Add Shape. So tap into Add Shape. Now, depending on the size and shape of your image, you may have a circular image that you want to crop and edit, but the simplest way is going to the square. So tapping on the square just like so, and making a few adjustments. First, we need to remove the fill color, which is the gray. So go ahead and tap the gray circle there to the left and go to no fill. Then we want to tap the black diagonal line with the red line through it to select a stroke color. So tap that there, and then you can choose any color of your choice. You can also tap the color wheel here to select it and select an even more specific color. The last thing you can do is tap on the stroke one more time, and you can see right here where it says 5 point, that is going to be the thickness of the border. If we tap the plus sign there, it's going to increase the thickness. If we tap the minus symbol, it will decrease it. Just for the purposes of the video, I'm going to make it a nice thick outline for the border. Once you're done with that, tap anywhere on the image to get out of that, and now we can tap and hold the square, and we can move that anywhere on our image. So any of those little circles there are what we call guiding lines. We can tap and hold them, and we can adjust them from any of those guiding lines. So tap and hold the one there on the right to extend it over to the right-hand side, and then go ahead and hit the one on the bottom to get the bottom of the image. Now, as you can see, there isn't a real snap to grid feature here. I wish there was. So you're going to have to really get in there and figure out what looks best, because what'll happen is you'll have some sides that are thicker than others. So once you have it exactly like you want it, tap the check mark in the upper right-hand corner, tap done, and now when you send the image or share it or look at it on your phone, the image now has a nice border that you created very quickly and easily, natively for free within the Photos app. There will be a pinned comment down below with all of the frequently asked questions if you're having issues. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.